Drying your car with ordinary or old bath towels is not the way to go. It's a surefire way to get those micro scratches in there, and over time, you're going to lose the luster of your paint's finish. That's why, if you treat your car like a baby, like I do, you need a great drying towel, like this one here from Devil Dog microfiber towels. Now, this thing is fantastic. It's double sided, comes in fun colors like this one, this green one. There's also purple as well, so bright colors. You want to make sure you take care of this towel and it will take care of you. Super, super high absorbency. All you're going to do is drape this over the car and drag it across, and it's going to be bone dry when you're done. So no more following up with the old school two towel method. You're not going to end up with water spots or anything like that, streaks, because this towel does all the work for you. You're going to be able to dry this car in absolutely no time. Again, I told you that it was double sided. It's also twisted loop microfiber, which is going to add to the absorbency. One of the things I really like is it's edgeless. So on an old towel, if you're just using an old bath towel, for instance, you'll notice that those edges, they get kind of stiff and they're more abrasive even than the regular part of the towel. So that's how you're ended up with these scratches in there. This one here is 24 by 45 inches. I've got a couple other ones the same way. Just a fantastic towel that's going to take care of your ride. It's going to shorten the time to dry that car so that you can be out there cruising the streets and showing off like you love to do. Devil Dog is a fantastic brand, amazing quality. Definitely make sure that you check these out. It's going to be well worth it. You're going to love this towel.